Are you Las Vegas ready for the Thunderbirds? Ladies and gentlemen, headlining the 2025 Aviation Nation Air Show, it is with great pride and honor I present to you your United States Air Force Air Demonstration Squadron, known to the world as the Thunderbirds! As we are in for nothing less than a world-class air show, and we are so thrilled to bring it all to you.
Our Director of Operations, Thunderbirds 7, Lieutenant Colonel Taylor White from Las Vegas, Nevada. You got it, 7.
Do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States according to regulations and the Uniform Code of Military Justice. So help me God. Ladies and gentlemen, please help congratulating.
An everlasting legacy of pride, precision, and professionalism. Since 1953, we have demonstrated the most advanced and respected air power in the world. We are first, last, and always a fighter squadron. You will witness the unparalleled teamwork, aerial precision, and raw power employed in combat.
Thunderbirds, search 1 ready now. Canopies down, ready now.
Showing Americans what our Air Force can do for over the past 72 years. Since 1953, not a single demonstration has been canceled due to a maintenance problem.
It's showtime! Clear for takeoff, runway 3 left. Thunderbirds, left, run them up.
maneuver made even more challenging since Thunderbird 5 is approaching upside down. Maximum performance turn. Now, approaching from directly in front, your 2025 Thunderbirds and the inspirational Delta Bird.